Hey guys, a very warm welcome back to my channel. This is Chidamra and today I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Glamego box. Well, this is a monthly subscription box which contains around 3 to 4 products. Well, they have 5 products this time and it cost around 499 rupees. So this box for the March 2018 is quite colorful and a really pretty box because this was the month of Holi, and the box has a magnetic flap. Well, the magnet is not quite amazing, but still the box looks amazing. So let's open and see what all products I have received today. As I open, I find one pamphlet which says that they have 5 products in them. Yes, they have 5 products because it's their anniversary edition. So let's see one by one what all products I have received in this Glamego box. So the first product that I have received is this Monsurf Peel Off Black Mask for men and women, and the net quality is 100 ml. It is a deep cleansing mask, nose, blackhead remover and dark spot remover, and this is for 1000 rupees. Well, I applied it on my nose, and after removing I noticed some itching on my nose, and I don't know that what should I do now. Should I use it again or not? Because the patch test does not show any discomfort to me, but when I applied on my nose it caused itching. Moving on to the next product, I have received this Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Oxy Pack. You have to apply it at night and keep it overnight and wash it in the morning with your face wash. So its consistency is like this. It appears to be like this. You have to apply it overnight and keep it. The next product that I have received is this Bella Was mascara, and I am quite unhappy with this product because the consistency is quite thick and I don't think the mascaras are so thick. And see how does it come like. Well, the packaging is really nice. I'm quite happy with the packaging, but well, the consistency is very thick, so I am gonna add 2 drops of my eye drops to make it quite thin, and then I'm gonna use it. The next product that I've received is this nail polish nail polish from Bella Voste, and this is a 6 ml product. You can also receive a 9 ml product, and the shade is 617. So I've applied it on my nail. This is a nice shimmery color. Last but not the least is this Chronocare Polu Stop Hair. This is to save your hair from pollution, because you know our Delhi is quite polluted nowadays. The quality of air is poor, and so we need to save our skin as well as our hair. So it's a good product, I think. I am not sure, and it smells like chamomile. I like the fragrance. So, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Do comment below, and yes, click the bell button if you haven't till yet, and stay tuned for further more videos. And beautiful, as you can see. So let's